Today we're making a warm German potato salad that's full of tangy flavor without using any mayo at all. Tender cooked potatoes become the base for this warm, tangy salad made with simple, everyday ingredients. Start by cooking the onions slowly until they soften, become lightly golden, and fill the kitchen with flavor. The vinegar and mustard come together to create that classic warm, tangy flavor German potato salad is known for. The warm potatoes soak up all that flavor while staying soft, tender, and comforting with every bite. A little fresh parsley at the end adds color, freshness, and the perfect finishing touch to this dish. Want more easy ideas like this? Visit the Yum Shop and join the email list for more cozy kitchen inspiration. Simple, cozy, and full of warm, tangy flavor that makes this dish easy to come back to again and again. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.